What's going on, everyone? Right now I'm in Omaha, Nebraska. I had to make an unexpected trip out here for some family, and while I'm visiting, I figured I'd take the opportunity and do another one of the local hobby shop tours. For those of you who don't know, I'm originally from the Omaha, Nebraska area. Haven't been back in a while. Decided to take a little time and go up and visit HobbyTown Hobbyplex, my old local hobby shop. It's a massive facility that they built in like the early 2000s. Now, this place has an indoor on-road track. They've built an indoor off-road track since I've been gone, and they've always had a really well-stocked store. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they have now. So as we pull up, take a spin through the store and take a look at both the tracks.
46.7, 46.5.
So that was HobbyTown, a huge selection of scale stuff now, tons of Vanquish parts, which was awesome to see, and just, again, a well-stocked store, everything you need. If you're ever in the Omaha area, absolutely make time, go visit as well. I'll put all of their information as far as store hours, contact, address, the whole thing in the description below. Again, it's absolutely worth the visit. Make sure that you find time to do that if you're ever in the area. And with that, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.